Hey guys, thanks for watching. This is Zaytsev family. My name is Russ, Scarlett, Bridget, and my amazing precious wife, Balya.
Welcome to the Zaytsev Show. We're an ordinary family with a little bit of remodeling and construction experience.
Obviously, I went to college, as you can see in my sweater, but I still work a crappy job.
We were super excited right off the bat when we found this beautiful estate. This was no-brainer with 22 acres, main house dated 1801, guest house, and a cabin that was also built in 1780s. We could not pass this by. So the first thing first, we wanted to remodel the guest house so we can move in and start with the main house. But nothing goes as you plan. Prior to this, we always lived in the city and never thought or imagined living out in the country. This channel is designed to take you on a small but exciting journey. We will renovate, explore, and share our experience with you. So I hope you subscribe and your notification on for all the upcoming videos. This video is a time lapse of last 15 months of our guest house. I never anticipated that we will go this far into a remodel, or I would say reconstruction of this house. Going to this, I could never foresee what we would encounter, but every day was a surprise, which turned this small project into a full-blown reconstruction. So I hope you buckled up and enjoy this video.
Okay, so what we're doing here, replacing roof joists. Some of these places that we've had to fix. This is another place.
Oh, yo, look at this! Termites all over this big beam.
Wow.
Yeah.
Jackpot.
I told you guys you had termites here, and you're like, no.
You might ask, why did we rip all this beautiful siding off? Well, discovering one rot after another, it made us realize we need to strip entire house naked and see what other problems lie ahead of us.
That's why we're replacing with the new plywood, because this is no good. Today we are back outside. We're just installing a window in the garage space right here. Check this out. This portion, all of this portion is damaged. Just cut all the way down and change just this portion, not the entire piece.
This is nice.
finishing up our front entrance. This is the exciting part.
Employee of the month.
I'm the only employee.
Okay, so this is the new damage that we found, and we're gonna have to take care of this. This is gonna be some interesting work. finished with the brick, but we are still not finished with the topper part. Topper pile?
For the
part.
up.
What? I can't even say that. Cut! Okay, so we're finished with the brick. Brick is done. That's behind us. I'm glad. But we still have this white part that is not finished, and it's going to be more of a panel look, which that's going to be very exciting and I would say challenging. It's like a two-man job because the panels are heavy and they will be placed. It's big. Yeah, I don't even want to talk about that. After that, we will paint the entire house. I would say more of like a beige white. It's gonna look so good. Plus, we're gonna have to build some framing around the windows, some decorative framing, or I would say trim. And after that, yeah, the outside's gonna be finished. If you're still here with us right now, if you're still watching this, you're doing a good thing. You stayed all the way to the end and you watched the entire video. So I just want to say thank you so much. And listen, if you're a first-time watcher of our channel, congratulations, welcome to our family. I'm excited for you. Thank you so much. Listen, we do these videos every single week about our house, about our property, about our family. So I hope you stick around and I hope you subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next episode. Let's do this.